Hey, what's up guys? Jacoby from JacobysJourneys.com. Today we're in Copan Ruinas, Honduras, and we're at a local chocolate shop to see how chocolate's made. This quaint shop is called El Taller Del Cacao and is located in a small neighborhood in the hills of Copan. They grow their own cacao, and when it's ready for harvest, they bring it to this shop and begin the chocolate making process, which starts by hand grinding the cacao beans. Okay, so after that first step where she's grinding the beans down, then the next step is to take it over here to this machine, and it's going to really crush down those beans.
Para extraer manteca, después de que sale del molino, la echamos en este recipiente y con una manta echamos aquí. Este es un jack.
And then there's a car jack, and she's going to push the moisture. A lot of force to squeeze out the moisture. So after she squeezes out all the moisture, this is where she brings it over once it's kind of dried out.
Luego lo dejamos que seque y es así.
And here she'll spread it out on this table or kind of like a trough. This gives it a place to dry out, and then it becomes solid powder, but it's dry and kind of in granule pieces.
Lo dejamos como un día y medio para que seque, luego para espolvorearlo y lo pasamos ya a estas bandejas que son para ser envasadas.
And then this final step is taking it from that wooden trough and moving it over here where it's just a powder, and then they can sell this powder in different forms, and that's kind of the final product. And you can use that powder to make chocolate or to put it into your baked goods to give a nice chocolate flavor.
Este es nips de cacao. Aquí tenemos granola que lleva cacao también, nips. Y esta se llama tiste. Es una bebida de tradición aquí en Copan Ruinas. Lleva cacao. Esta es la bebida que tomaban los mayas. Este es un chocolate que hacemos a 40% de porcentaje. Tenemos varias presentaciones. Tenemos la manteca de cacao, tenemos chocolate en formas y hacemos las barras también. Y huele rico. 100%. Esa panita la vendemos a 40. Oh, sí. Delicious.
So she just squeezed out from that container to this, and it's basically 100% cacao oil. And this, so uses this to make like a chapstick or lip balm for your lips. So it's cacao oil. So it's really good, really healthy for you, pure, so no chemicals. Alright, so she took some of this fresh chocolate and she's making basically some chocolate milk. So this is some of the fresh powder that she's made mixed with milk. So it's basically a really nice cup of hot chocolate. Okay, so she finished and we're testing out our hot chocolate. And it tastes really good. You know, back home, back in the States, maybe you'll get like the Nescafe or the Nesquik. It's like a powder. This is so much better. This actually tastes, you know, it's like real chocolate, much stronger. So I'm with my new friends and we're trying some cocoa or hot chocolate. Do you like it? No chemicals. I mean, literally it's ground up cacao and fresh cow milk, like local cows. So this is about as real as it gets. Cheers.
Amigos, los invitamos a conocer este bello pueblo de Copan Ruinas, y si nos visita, no se va a ir sin antes visitar el Taller del Cacao. Aquí les explicamos todo el proceso de manera artesanal de cómo hacer chocolates. Y usted puede ver y palpar con sus manos todo el proceso y disfrutar una rica bebida caliente, que es la bebida que usaban nuestros ancestros, los mayas, que la tomaban, perdón.
It's been a really interesting day to come here and check out how this cacao is processed, going from the bean state all the way to a cup of hot chocolate. So if you come to Copan Ruinas, I really recommend coming and checking out this chocolate shop and seeing this whole process. I'll leave an address and a phone number in the description box below if you want to come check this out and get some really high quality, pure chocolate.